Yes, my viewers and subscribers morning again. Me see the video where the police are warn the people them say after 2 o'clock them no fit go. No way go try help nobody by themselves unless them a get escorted by police. The people them must stop the people them and ambush them. Why? You know say the people them where do the ambushing. You know, say I want to see one of the weapon we farm against no one of Jamaican people. Yeah, man. I want to see him weapon, man. Because imagine the people them are going to help the people them and want to stop them by the way I rob them and I take with them things them. How could have caused me no wicked and turn bad so? The people them are help on you know. I want to tap them and I rob them. No, man. No, man. And if the people them stop help now, when no ear said this and no ear said that. I'm good that some of the people them have them good clean heart and them still I go try to help out. Why? Every way you take it Jamaicans always I do the most. I'm gonna always have to do the most. You can't just do the right things and just make the thing run smooth and run alright. All when a crisis are going in our country, you still have to do the most. My God of grace, man. How am I gonna wicked and turn bad so? No, man. God forbid. You make things look bad and turn bad, you know. And then when time people say certain things about Jamaica, you make it, you get mad or you get upset. But no, make people always attack certain things about we because of no bad and wicked and tan. And true no so thief and corrupted. The people then need help. You no see them one need help. And you no want the help for yourself alone. You no want nobody else to get the help. You no want everything for yourself. I no want in a problem. I no want hungry. I no want aid. And some of you probably all do that, no need it. The people them we really need it can't get it because not type of people them by the way so they're not thief away from them. No, man. You no need to look in on yourself, you know. Even though Melissa come and wipe out so much people and wash how much house and how much destruction go on, you no still not looking on yourself and make a change. You no need to look in on yourself and make a change. Looking on yourself and make a change. You no see all of what go on round no. And you no still finding on yourself for rob and thief and destroy. You no feel do better, man. You no just make Jamaicans feel sick to their core because of no dirty, nasty thinking behavior them all have. You no too wicked, man. But I want them catch you and hold you accountable for all I want to do. I want the law hold you. You don't know. You're too terrible, man.